guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight I wanted to share with you guys a quick easy dish that I usually prepare for the kids during the week because I go to work. I have time to come home and prepare a lavish meal. So this meal is basically a simple pasta dish, pasta with pasta sauce and turkey meat. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, what type of meal you prepare for your family, what's an easy dish for you. So without no further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so this is everything for my little meal. Got my turkey meat, whole grain, spaghetti pasta, of course. Got the cheese. I got some garlic, some Lawry's, some parsley. This is the last of my garlic herb, but this is pretty good. This Olive Garden seasoning, bomb. And then my pasta sauce. So those are the ingredients. Let's start cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to season the meat. Season it up a little bit. Still gotta break that, but that's okay. I can still season it. So I'm gonna finish my Olive Garden herb seasoning in here. Yo, this seasoning is good. I'm trying to get everything. But yeah, this seasoning is pretty good. You guys should try it. That's the last. Then I'll just put like a little bit of Lawry's. I usually use adobo, but this one is give it that extra kick that you'll need. So this is pretty good. And then I picked up some garlic. Some Badia garlic. That I just put a little bit, not too much. If you love that garlic taste, you can put a little bit more than usual. Then mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Let me stop. I ain't gonna dance. Put a little bit more since I mixed it up. And then what I usually do, I add some olive oil. Oops. Kind of marinate it. And mix it around. Mix it around. Mix it around. It's all getting all nice and soft. Okay. So I'm gonna get my pot that I just took out, and I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit, wash it out. Then I put it on the stove. So now I'm gonna add some grease. Of course, some olive oil. I usually don't use this. I use extra virgin, but this was on sale, so shoot. This stuff be expensive. It be expensive. So I'm gonna make this heat. Oh, turn it on, of course. Turn on the stove, duh, TJ, and die. And oh, let me get my other pot. Me like a big dummy, forgot my other pot. Let me get my other pot. This is my pasta pot. Let me get the pasta pot. As usual, gonna wash it out. Then fill up this. My daughter just leaves stuff all over the place. So now I'm filling up the pot. Maybe like, what's this? 2 quarts. So it has like a measuring gauge right here. So 2 quarts. 2 quarts, and I put it here on my stove. Turn it on high. Yeah, cause this stuff get really hot. It heats up real quick. Okay, turn it that way. Turn my stove that way. So now I'm gonna break up the pasta. I'm gonna rinse off the pasta. So I broke it in half. Whoops! That wasn't smart. Break it in half, and then I put it in the pot. So then now I'm gonna add the turkey meat. You guys a better look. It'll melt eventually. And then this. So let me add, I usually add some more olive oil to this water to not let the spaghetti stick a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit more to this. And a little bit more garlic. Because it does need some garlic. You can see it's cooking. Get some color. That one's not even boiling yet, but it's getting there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put away my stove. Put away all my spices, my ingredients. Oh, I have an extra box, so let me put that away. And then this way. I need to organize that a little bit better, but not right now, because I ain't got no time. I'm gonna add the Classico marinara with plum tomato. This is pretty good. So you smack the bottom. Pop it open, then you pour. And you mix the sauce in. So what you're basically doing is basically heating up the sauce. You're not going to cook it too much. You like a big dummy, put away the parsley. So I love to put parsley on top of my meat sauce. So I'm gonna put some in here. It's not going as some in here. And then I'm gonna put some more when I'm finished cooking the dish. You're not gonna cook it too much. Get that nice meat sauce. Now this is boiling, so this should be done soon. I'll be back. So now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen a little bit, you know, put away the dishes in the dishwasher and fill up the dishwasher with dirty dishes. Okay, so I'm gonna drain this. See the steam coming on. I ain't got a drainer. I don't have a strainer, so this is a good old-fashioned way and it works. As long as you hold the lid real tight and you let it drain. Okay, so now we're gonna plate the food. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna put the pasta sauce. I'll just do this. Woohoo! Put pasta sauce. So now I'm gonna bring it closer for you guys. So you see. So now I'm gonna add my little razzle dazzle on top. Oops, sorry. My final razzle dazzle. See, man, I swear I should be on Top Chef. So you guys, this is my final dish. This is what I'm gonna present to Top Chef. Yo, I should be a chef, like for reals.
Then why don't you go be one?
Don't listen to her. But for reals, look at this. Like, come on. Like, come on. Like, this is like Top Chef type thing. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget, as usual, to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Yeah, I swear, you know, this is why I turn wifey right here. This is some wifey dish. This is like wifey dish right here.